Hey everybody, I'm Roger.
And I'm Joshua Wilson.
And we are at Gateway Park.
Mm-hmm.
We had the opportunity yesterday to come down here and take a nice hike. Today we wanted to come back and showcase some of the park's benefits for if you come down here with families with children with disabilities. So we're going to walk around the park, and then we'll sit down and tell you how our hike went yesterday. So as you pull into Gateway Park, they got ample parking back up here. There's a couple spaces for disabled parking. That's the bathroom. Beautiful park. Come on down here with your families. Hey Josh, want to show them how we get into the park?
Yeah.
So what we got here, buddy?
Here's the path.
Path?
Yep.
Okay, got a couple different entrances to get down there. First one, we got a dirt path here. You come over here, there's stairs you can get down. Josh, you're pretty good with stairs, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm good with stairs.
Yeah, but we want to show other families that if, like JJ, your friend,
Yes.
who's in a wheelchair, could JJ come down here?
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
So let's show them how JJ would come in, because he has a wheelchair. So if you are wheelchair bound, there is an access down here to the park. Way over there we have the playground, which we haven't gone over to yet. Hey Josh, we didn't see the playground yesterday. We'll show you how we get down there. Hey, where are you going?
Just follow me. I'll show you the down the hiking area.
Is this a place where kids with wheelchairs and all that can get through?
Yes.
All right. I'll follow you, Josh. Putting down here, there's the Colorado River. You can see it's all paved. A lot of bicyclists out here. It's a great place to bring your bikes. If you have a trailer, you can pull a trailer with the kids in it. River. All right, let's show them how we get to the hiking trail. It's all paved, really nice. Today is Friday. I think it's what, March 9th, 8th, something like that. I don't know what day it is. It's a great life when you don't know what day of the week it is. We were down here yesterday hiking. Today it's going to get up to about 85. Just absolutely beautiful down here in Yuma right now.
We know it's down here.
So what'd you think about the hike yesterday, bud?
It was good.
What'd you like about it?
I kind of like the signs.
Oh, you liked all the signs?
Yeah.
Well, the signs were informational signs, huh? So you could read about the animals, right?
This is all about the animals.
All about the animals? What else did you like about it?
I like about it. Just hiking down, I get no cramps.
You didn't get any cramps, huh?
No.
So it was a pretty easy hike?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool. So would you recommend this for other kids to come down, or
Yes.
even adults? You're not a kid, huh?
No.
Ready to go hiking?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
There's the Colorado River, Josh.
Yeah.
So this is my attempt at vlogging. So
Yeah.
Josh and I are now the Raptor Pack, right?
Yeah.
And
Oh,
and my beautiful wife's the Raptor Pack.
I'm a second thought.
So here we are. Got my pops with us. There's Coco. So we're gonna attempt to get into this vlogging. But where we're at, like I said, we're down here, the East Wetlands. That's the picnic areas.
There's a nice sign over there.
Really kind of nice. A lot of hiking out through here. At one time, the Colorado River, before the dam was built, this was all underwater.
Damn near as many pictures as I have done on my street.
That there is a railroad bridge. And right up over there is Prison Hill. The prison that movies been written after. So enjoy our trip. Got some new equipment coming in, so hopefully we'll get better and better as we go. Okay, let's go hiking. So here I am with my buddy.
Yep.
We got our hiking gear on. There's Mama. Mama's back there. So what do you think, Josh? We're making another movie?
Yes.
This is cool. What do you want to say?
It's kind of fun.
It's kind of fun?
Yeah.
I like it. Better than sitting in the trailer, huh? Playing video games?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been nice down here. So we're going to get back in here into the dense brush.
Mm-hmm.
We are all camoed out so no one can find us once we're back here. So check back with you.
Snowflakes fall on the evergreens and they cover all the streets. Sing along as we run through all of these white hills, oh so deep.
Run like you left the gate open.
Passing by cars, we wave hello. The wind won't slow us down, so here we go.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, winter,
Okay.
it's
Where we going?
nice to see you again.
We're going to find another song. Okay.
Surround me.
Oh, we got one over here, buddy.
Winter, it never feels too cold. With all my friends around me.
This is just a bench and relax. Huh?
There's a nice bench up here, a nice view of the
I'm
river.
gonna sit here. Pick me up on the way back.
What do you see there? Can you name some of those animals?
We got birds and
Yeah.
sea otters.
Egret. Across the river. Over there is a white egret.
Where? Oh, there it is. I don't know if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can get that close, but it's over there. Okay, so we just passed that sign, warning of rattlesnakes. Yay! So we're gonna try and see if we can't avoid these little critters. So right now we're hiking. I think are we heading south?
No, we're heading
East.
Northeast.
This is east, northeast, and there's my tour guide up in front of me. Remember as kids. Got to remember him as kids with Robbie
Oh my God.
and Eric.
Had to be first.
I had to be first. Got to be the tour guy.
and then
gotta be
Eric
tour
would mess
guide.
with him and run up in front of him, and then Josh would get so mad.
Yeah. Good times when they were kids. Now he has no one to compete against because I'm sure not going to catch up to him. Want to go by the water, buddy?
Wet.
See what it feels like, Josh. We'll come over this way. Come out over here. This, believe it or not, is the mighty Colorado. Colorado River. A lot of history here back in the day. With the, I believe this is Juan Bautista de Anza came through here, and the Quechua Indians helped them get across this river, which ultimately, because of his mapping, the cities of Los Angeles and San Jose were formed, were established. They had a massive movement up north.
Well, hello there. This here is your tour guide coming to you from downtown. And all right. We're gonna learn about this place here. Okay, this is crossing into history. Okay, eager to expand its new world. I don't know what that word is. Spain authorized 1775 to 1776 expedition to settle the port of San Francisco. Do you understand all that?
No.
Got so bad his eyes swelled shut.
Look at him wondering what Roger's doing.
Coco's like, what is that? You smile, smile, you smile, smile for me. Come on, Coco.
No, I'm too excited. Too excited. I'll smile though.
You smile.
I smile.
This is a really neat little path. Hey, Josh.
Mom usually goes out in there. She wants to be in the tree. Pretty when they all blew them out.
I was falling into the hole.
Should have called me.
Yeah, I remember when you lived in Tuolumne? No, Tehachapi?
Yeah.
You're out there pruning the woods. Got to prune the woods.
I was up in Quainhart, yeah.
All right. Well, we've been out here for, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. My tour guide ahead of me is telling me he found another sign. So we're heading up here to the bike path, which runs along Highway 8. And it looks like the Water District. And we'll go over here and see what Josh has found. Okay, buddy.
Shoot, those girls that pay
Shake your
hundreds to
booty,
learn
shake,
that.
shake your booty, Coco. Shake your booty, shake your booty, booty.
Born this way. That black kid that was wanting to be a DJ or whatever.
Yeah.
Shake your booty.
Shake your booty, shake your booty, hooty, booty, hooty. There we go, Prison Hill. I'm on the 310 to Prison Hill. Yuma. Well, here we are. We're back at the park. That was a fun walk. Kind of get you out here in nature and get to see what's around. Give you a couple last shots. And like I said, we're not experts. I'm not an expert. I have no clue how to do these vlogs, but it's kind of fun to give you a few shots. So, hope you're having a good day. I know we are. Oh, if you're wondering on this thing, Kim beat me up. I mouthed off and she cold cocked me. Not just kidding. I had a little medical procedure done. So let's wrap it up, big guy.
Yeah.
So you had a lot of fun down here yesterday?
Yeah.
And what was your favorite part?
Hiking.
Hiking?
Yeah.
Was it very long?
No.
No, it was pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
You like to take it out slowly so you don't get cramps in your legs, huh?
No.
Yeah. What else do you like about down here?
I like to see the river.
The river?
Yeah.
What's the name of the river, do you know?
Well Valley.
Colorado. Colorado River. So, well, cool. Hey, let's show everybody what we got to do yesterday, and that's have a lot of fun hiking, huh?
Yes.
So we appreciate you guys watching our video, and we will be coming out with a lot more and hopefully improve on the quality of videos that we put out. Again, hopefully if you're a family with children with disabilities, adults with disabilities, this would be a place that you would want to come down. Please come down. The wetlands is just a great place to have a picnic. All the folks up there having lunch,
Yeah.
and to hike. You could even swim in the river if you like. All right, we will see you on the rebound.